Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my version of a scrumptious dessert, Skor Banoffee Pie. With a graham cracker crust, filled with banana slices, dulce de leche, chopped toffee, and then topped with whipped cream. This is pure yumminess. So let's get baking. We'll go ahead and start with the crust. In a bowl of a food processor, we'll add graham cracker crumbs, some brown sugar, and a pinch of ground sea salt. We'll place the lid on, remove the pusher, we won't need it, and pause until the ingredients are blended. Now, we'll let the machine run, and through the feed tube, we'll slowly pour in the melted butter. When it's all in, we want the texture to resemble dim sand. And to know if it's the right consistency, we'll take a measuring spoon, compress the mixture, drop it in our hand, and if it holds its shape, then it's fine. Next, we'll drop the mixture into a 9-inch nonstick springform pan, and using the bottom of a small measuring cup or glass, we'll firmly press up the sides as high as possible, and then evenly spread it on the bottom. I like to push against the sides while gently pressing down on the edges to compact the mixture so the tops don't collapse. It takes a while, but when it's done, we'll carefully transfer it to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll remove from the heat, place it on a wire rack, and allow to cool completely while we make our whipped cream. Without going into details, there's a full tutorial showing how to make the perfect whipped cream, using the same amounts and all the tips to make it. So click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. The consistency we're looking for is between medium to stiff peaks. Now, to save time, you can always use Cool Whip, but not the whipped cream from the aerosol cans. Reserve them for fruits or Spanish coffee. All right? Time to assemble. After the crust is at room temperature, we'll transfer it to a cake stand and pour in the dulce de leche. To make it at home, click the link on the top right corner of your screen. Using a spatula, we'll spread it out evenly. Does it look like pure decadence to you? I have to resist the temptation of taking a big scoop and eating some. When this mental challenge is over, we'll slice the bananas, I'm using 2, and place them on top of the dulce de leche. An ingredient I like using for this pie is Skor Toffee bits. If you live outside of North America, simply use regular English toffee. After cutting them in small pieces, we'll sprinkle the top of the banana slices with them, which is where the name of the pie comes from. What's next is our whipped cream, and like the dulce de leche, we'll spread it out evenly all the way to the edge of the crust. It looks fabulous, don't you agree? For the finishing touch, we'll add more little pieces of Skor on top of the pie. And my friends, this is our Skor Banoffee Pie. Irresistible and incredibly scrumptious, this classic British dessert is perfect to serve at your next backyard party. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!